A samurai once stood in the middle of a burning battlefield. His friend dead beside him, his wounds deep, and his fate uncertain. And yet, his face was calm. This calmness did not come from an absence of pain, but from a profound understanding. When life hurts, the key is not to eliminate the pain, but to change how you respond to it. The lesson is simple but transformative. Care less about the pain itself and care more about your posture, how you carry yourself through it. The ancient Japanese did not deny the reality of pain. Instead, they acknowledged it, even bowed to it, but they refused to let it break them. Pain, they understood, is an inevitable part of life, but suffering is something we create ourselves. It arises from overthinking, clinging to what we cannot control, and the stories we tell ourselves about our struggles. Zen monks told this wisdom in a simple phrase: let go or be dragged. The more tightly we cling to how things should be, the more life's hardships will cut us. Letting go, then, is not a sign of weakness, but of profound wisdom. Samurai trained relentlessly to face death, not because they sought it, but because they refused to fear it. Fear, like pain, grows stronger the more attention we give it. Through detachment, the samurai cultivated clarity, not cold indifference, but a balanced mind free from the tyranny of unchecked emotions. Miyamoto Musashi, the legendary swordsman, captured this mindset in his words. Think lightly of yourself and deeply of the world. He meant that we should not take our emotions so seriously or interpret our wounds as personal failures. Pain is not punishment, it is the fire that tempers and strengthens us. In Japanese philosophy, the concept of mushin, or no mind, refers to a state where a warrior acts without fear, anger, or overthinking. This is not emptiness but liberation. To care less is not to become apathetic, it is to free yourself from the weight of unnecessary attachment. You still care, but you no longer cling. You feel pain, but you do not collapse under it. When chaos surrounds you, you move through it with calm precision. This inner stillness is not indifference, it is unshakable power. When life hurts, the answer is not to harden your heart or to drown in emotion. Instead, let the pain pass through you, like wind through bamboo. Acknowledge it, but do not hold on to it. Care less about the wound itself and more about the next step forward. The ancient way is not to avoid pain, but to stand firmly within it, with steady breath, calm eyes, and an untouchable spirit. The true warrior is the one who feels everything but clings to nothing, and because of that, they cannot be broken. Next time life feels hard when you fail, lose something, or feel unsure, think of the samurai who stayed calm in the storm. Don't just go through pain, learn from it. Ask yourself, will I let this knock me down, or will I grow stronger from it? Choose peace over panic, choose to be strong, not stuck. Start simple. When you feel upset, scared, or hurt, stop. Take a breath, move on. This is the warrior's way. Are you ready to try it? If this helped you, share it with a friend who might need it too. Thank you for watching.